Hi everyone, it's Simon here, and in this short video I am going to show you how to provide a narrative to the data that you've been analysing in Google Sheets. So in this example I have done some of my own analysis with the same data that you have been using, and I've been looking at age and employment. I've also filtered it down a little bit just to simplify the information here to help with the example and with the narrative that I'm going to provide. So what I've done is I have moved this bar chart just to the side here, and I have created some space because this is where I want my narrative to be. Now, to create a narrative, I simply go to Insert, Drawing. And now it might sound a little bit odd that we're going to draw in to insert some text, but this is where you will actually find your text box in Google Sheets. The text box is this one here that I'm highlighting. Simply click that and drag anywhere around the area that you wish to have a text box, and then it should let you enter whatever you like here. To save you some time, I've already written something that I'm now going to paste into the box, and then I'm just going to drag it and restructure it just so it fits nicely. So once you are happy with your text box, simply click Save and Close, and it should enter in the space that you wanted it to. Once you have it there, you can actually drag it and resize it if you wish to help present it a little better if all you have is Google Sheets like we've been doing in this example. So what I now have is a table and a nice clustered bar chart to visualize the information, and a concisely written narrative to help demonstrate a bit of understanding and some detail about the sample. So in this narrative I've said that the majority of the samples are found to be between the ages of 25 to 44 years old. Within this age group, it was found the vast majority were found in it to be in employment. Those aged 45 and above were predominantly economically inactive, and only 9 people over the age of 65 were in employment. So I provided 4 different sentences there to help describe the sample in different ways. And that's all you need to do at this stage when it comes to providing a narrative. And as you engage in the other intensives that we offer, that will also help develop your storytelling skills.